Welcome to today's deep dive. If you're joining us, our mission today is to figure out why business-to-business e-commerce is just, well, vastly more complex than your standard consumer shopping cart.
Right. It's a completely different beast.
Exactly. And to do that, we are looking at technical documentation and architectural overviews of modern B2B platforms. Because usually, when we talk about shopping online, there's this expectation of absolute simplicity for you as the buyer.
Yeah, zero friction.
Right. You want a pair of shoes, you click add to cart, you click buy, and you're done. Just 2 clicks.
It's an experience built purely for speed.
But you step into the B2B world and...
Say a manufacturer ordering 10,000 engine components.
Yeah, exactly. Suddenly that simple cart concept is just completely useless.
It fails because the transaction is fundamentally different in scale and really intent. I mean, a basic cart isn't built for a user who is actively trying to manage a global supply chain.
Okay, let's unpack this a bit. Because a wholesaler isn't just browsing for one cute item.
No, not at all. They might upload a massive spreadsheet, like a CSV file, just to populate their cart with thousands of SKUs in a matter of seconds.
Oh, wow. Thousands at once.
Yeah. And they aren't just selecting, a standard 2-day shipping option either. B2B buyers require intense delivery planning.
Like what kind of planning?
Well, they often need to select specific week numbers for delivery, or they require staggered shipments.
Oh, right. So a massive bulk order doesn't just flood their warehouse all on the same Tuesday.
Exactly.
It's like, okay, think of it this way. B2C is ordering from a set fast food menu. But B2B is like negotiating with the chef, the farm that grew the potatoes, and the logistics company driving the truck all at the same time.
That analogy hits the mark perfectly because it highlights the negotiation aspect. And due to those intense negotiations, the digital storefront actually has to physically reshape itself the moment a specific buyer logs in.
Wait, really? The site adapts to the user?
It has to, because pricing is account-specific and it's based on rigorous contracts. So the price one manufacturer sees automatically includes their unique volume discounts, while a different partner logs in and sees completely different numbers.
So I literally don't see the same internet you see.
Right. Plus, the actual product assortments are personalized. A buyer might only see the specific catalogs and brands relevant to their contract, which they can also download for offline planning.
Okay, here's where I get stuck, though. If the catalog, the pricing rules, and the discounts are shape-shifting for every single user, how does the system not just crash under the weight of all that custom computation?
Well, that is the core engineering challenge right there, and it really comes down to having a single source of truth.
Like a central database.
Exactly. Rather than the website trying to calculate all those rules on its own and crashing, it relies on an ERP, an enterprise resource planning system.
Oh, okay.
Think of the ERP as the company's central brain that holds every contract, every inventory level, and every single pricing tier.
So the website isn't actually doing the math. It's just a mirror reflecting what that central brain tells it.
Exactly. And taking it a step further, if we look at robust ERPs like Microsoft Dynamics 365, paired with specialized native platforms like BASOFA, Elevate B2B,
right?
The e-commerce platform actually lives inside that central brain. They share the same database. And because they execute these commercial rules natively, there's no calculation delay or lag to crash the system.
Okay, so this invisible architecture is really what separates true enterprise trade from a basic mom-and-pop web store. It's literally a window directly into the company's operational backend.
Absolutely.
And I imagine that architecture also helps manage the human element because, well, B2B purchasing is a team sport.
Oh, for sure.
It's not just about what is bought, but who actually gets to hit the buy button.
Which brings us to RBAC, or Role-Based Access Control. This is a hierarchical system acting as a traffic cop within the platform.
Right.
Different users have specific permissions, so a junior buyer might only have the authority to draft a cart, but they absolutely cannot authorize the payment.
So if they need a massive order, they use the RFQ feature, right? The request for quote.
Yeah, the RFQ feature bridges that exact gap. That junior buyer builds the complex cart, clicks request, quote, and it sends it right up the chain.
Moving from digital browsing to manual negotiation.
Exactly. Allowing an admin to tweak pricing and finally approve the threshold.
It's essentially a digital corporate credit card.
Yes.
Your manager, the finance team, the vendor, they all have to digitally nod at each other before the transaction actually completes.
And the platform manages all those nods seamlessly.
So what does this all mean for you listening? I mean, the main takeaway here is that true B2B commerce isn't just a shopping cart. It is a personalized, highly secure, rule-driven procurement portal.
Yeah, it replaces manual, paper-based chaos with a streamlined digital engine.